Now we are going to see how to replace the hard drive in your computer. So doing anything, switch off and unplug all power cables. Remove the power cable. Now we are going to open the cabinet. Now we are going to remove both these screws, this one and this screw. Just unscrew it. Now you can remove the top cover. You just pull it like this. You can open the top cover. And look for hard disk inside the cabinet. You will find the hard drive here. So this is the hard disk. To take this hard disk out, you have to remove both these screws. Okay. Now let us see the connections in the hard disk. You will see two connectivities, 1, 2. So I am not going to remove the connection right now. I am just removing the hard disk with the connection just to show it clearly. Remove the screws. So take the hard disk out. This is a hard drive. You will find two connectivities. This red color cable is called the SATA cable, and this SATA cable is the data connectivity which transfers the data from hard disk to the CPU, and this is the power cable which supplies power to the hard disk. Okay. So see this data cable, that is a SATA cable, is connected directly to the motherboard. See here, it is connected directly to the motherboard. And the power connectivity comes from SMPS directly. See, this cable comes from the SMPS. So to remove the hard disk, you have to remove both these connections. One is the power connection, other one is the data connection. To remove this power cable, just pull it off. Just pull it. So the power cable has been disconnected. Now we need to remove this data cable. So you should not pull it directly. See, at the back side of this data cable, you will find a clip, this metal clip. So before pulling this data cable, just press this and then pull it. That's it. Now this is the SATA hard disk. We have removed it. Now we are going to replace this hard disk with another hard disk. So I am taking another hard disk. I am going to connect this hard disk now. Now we are going to connect this hard disk. Okay, see, We are going to connect the power supply here and the data connection here. Okay. So take the data cable now. See the data cable, its one end is flat and other end is L-shaped. Usually in the hard disk you will find one end is flat and other end is L-shaped. So while connecting the data cable, you should make sure that the L-shaped cut in the data cable should face the L-shaped portion in the hard disk. Then just push it to plug the connectivity. Next we are going to connect the power supply. So take the power supply cable from the SMPS. Any power cable which comes from the SMPS with a similar jack can be used to connect the hard disk. Now just connected both data connectivity and the power supply. So now we are going to fix this hard disk in the cabinet. Insert the hard disk inside this slot from which we removed it. Put the screws. Now we have removed a hard disk and fixed another hard disk. The hard disk which we connected now is the SATA hard disk. There is one more type of hard disk. It's an older type. That's an IDE hard disk that we will see in the next class.